Hello Year 4, Mr. Johnson here. Alright, and today I'm going to be taking you on the first of a series of PE lessons that we're going to be delivering to you over the next couple of weeks. Alright, but before we get started, it's very important that we do a few things first. Okay, so first of all, just make sure you have a nice bit of space around you. Okay, doesn't need to be that much space. Alright, just enough so that you don't bump into anyone or anything that might be in your way while we're completing the activities or actions. Alright, if you're indoors, you obviously do not need any trainers. Okay, however, if you're outdoors, I strongly advise you to put on a pair of trainers, okay, just for your own safety. Alright, second of all, you're gonna need some comfortable clothing, okay, whether that's your PE kit, okay, or any type of sportswear. It might be some shorts or a top and bottoms, alright, just something that you feel comfortable in and you'll be able to move around freely in. Okay, so I'm gonna give you time to pause the video now, get those things ready, and then come back and join me here and we'll be ready to carry on with the lesson. Alright. Alright, welcome back guys. Hopefully you're all set now in your comfortable clothing, ready to proceed with the lesson. Okay, so as you may know, this is a gymnastics lesson. Alright, and we're going to be focusing mainly on how you can incorporate your ABCs, okay, being agility, balance, and coordination into different gymnastic techniques and routines. Alright, before we begin, as you know, before we do any type of physical activity, we must complete something that's very important, right? And that thing is called a warm-up, okay? For those of you that do not know, the reason why we do a warm-up, okay, is to get our blood flowing and our muscles ready for the activity that we're about to do, okay? Also, a very important reason why we do a warm-up, okay, is to reduce the chances of any type of injury, okay, while we complete the physical activity, all right? So for this warm-up, we're gonna play a little game, okay? It's very, very simple, okay? The game is called the color cone code game, okay? It's a bit tricky to say, all right, but it's a very simple game. How it works is, as you can see, I have 4 colors in front of me. I have a red cone, a green cone, a yellow cone, and a blue cone. All right, so how the game's gonna work is, when I put up a color cone, okay, you're gonna perform a type of balance or shape, okay? So when I put up the red cone, you're gonna perform a balance where you have only 1 foot on the floor, okay? When I put up the green cone, you're gonna perform a balance where you have 2 feet on the floor, okay? 2 points of contact on the floor. When I put up the yellow cone, okay, you're gonna perform a balance where you have 3 points of contact on the floor. And when I put up a blue cone, okay, you're gonna perform a balance where you have 4 points of contact on the floor. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you an example of each of them in a second.
Alright guys, so I'm going to be showing you an example of a type of balance for each colour. Okay, so red one, as you can see, 1 point of contact. All it means is 1 body part on the floor, okay? I have my foot on the floor and that is my first point of contact. Okay, now I'm going to show you the green one. Okay, 2 points of contact. As you can see, I have 2 feet on the floor. Doesn't have to be 2 feet, it can be your 1 hand, 1 leg. Okay, get a bit creative with it. Now I'm going to show you the next one, okay? For the yellow cone, I want you to perform a balance that has 3 points of contact on the floor. Okay, so as you can see, I have 1 leg on the floor and 2 hands on the floor, okay? That makes 3 points of contact. All right, now for the 4th and final one, the blue cone, I'm going to show you a balance where I have 4 points of contact on the floor. Okay, so when I pop the blue cone, I want you to show me a balance with 4 points of contact on the floor. Okay, and that's how you play the game. All right, you can use my examples or you can make your own. It doesn't really matter as long as you give it a go. Okay.
All right, so now hopefully you understand how the game works, okay? We're gonna begin in a moment, so make sure you're watching carefully. All right, so to start off, jogging on the spot. First one, good. Hold for 3 seconds. Good, make sure you're holding for 3 seconds. Guys, remember, as soon as I put the cone down, okay, you should start jogging on the spot, okay? Not holding, you shouldn't still be holding your shape. Good, 3 seconds and then release. Keep going. And time. All right, we're done, guys. That is the end of our warm-up, okay? We are now ready to begin the main part of the lesson. All right, so just pause it here, go and have a drink of water if you need it, and then join me back in a second, and we'll get the main part of the lesson underway. All right, guys, welcome back. Hopefully you're all warmed up now, okay? Ready to proceed with the main part of the lesson, okay? So, today we're gonna be learning a type of balance, all right? That balance is called the Arabesque Balance, okay? How it's gonna work is I'm gonna show you guys a video of myself demonstrating the Arabesque Balance, okay? And I'm gonna try my best to talk you through the main teaching points, okay, to help you do it yourself. Then you're gonna pause the video, okay? Have a go at the balance for a few times until you're comfortable, and then come back and join me ready to move on to the next part of the lesson, okay?
Alright guys, I'm going to be showing you the Arabesque Balance. Okay, so first you start in a good standing position, okay, and you step forward onto a leg of your choosing. Alright, I have chosen my right leg, okay, you might use your left, it doesn't matter. Just choose the one that is most comfortable for you and the one that you're able to get the best balance on, okay? Once you've done this, you extend your leg out, okay? Keep your arms out, chest out, and you hold for 3 seconds. Okay, showing good body control and good body tension. Right, once you count it for 3 seconds, then you release slowly. Okay, and there you have it. I'm gonna show you one more time. Standing position. Okay, I've got my leg out, trying to find my balance. Okay, I'm lifting my chest ever so gently, keeping my arms out. Okay, I've got my balance. Hold for 3 seconds, and then I'm releasing. Okay, one more time. Good standing position, toes pointing forward, other leg out behind me, arms up, okay, showing good tension, good control, and then release.
Alright guys, welcome back. So hopefully you had a few tries of the Arabesque Balance, okay? Remember, if you're still finding it a bit tricky, alright, feel free to rewind the video, go back, okay? Listen to the teaching points again, look at the images again, alright? And keep on practicing until you feel confident and comfortable to do it on your own, okay? Alright, so guys, welcome back. For the next part of the lesson, okay, we're going to be focusing on a type of roll. Okay, this roll is called the over-the-shoulder roll, all right? And as it's a roll, okay, it's very, very important that we get something comfortable to put on the ground, okay, that we can roll on, whether you're outside or inside, okay? As you know, if we were in school, we would have the gymnastic mats out, all right? But because we're at home, we're gonna have to make do with what we got, okay? So I've got an old jumper here that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna fold it up, okay, and put it on the floor to cushion myself when I'm completing a roll, okay? You could use a towel. If you have a mat, use one, or you could use, like me, an old piece of clothing. All right, so I'm gonna give you a minute to pause the video, go and get whatever you need to be to get ready, and then come back and join me, and we'll continue with the lesson. All right, so welcome back, guys. Hopefully you have your comfortable bit of clothing or item, all right, that you're gonna put on the floor to use to comfort yourself while you are completing the roll. Okay, so just like last time, I'm going to show you a video of myself demonstrating the roll, and then I'm going to talk you through it, okay, talk you through the teaching points of the over-the-shoulder roll, okay, show you a picture of the over-the-shoulder roll and possibly a video, all right, and then you're going to pause the video and have a go yourself and practice until you're confident and comfortable with the roll.
Okay guys, so first of all, what I want you to do is lie on your back, okay, with your knees up together and bring them to your chest. Okay, then you're gonna get your chin and tuck it down to your chest also. right? Once you've done this, you're gonna rock forward and backwards, okay, as I'm doing now, just rocking onto my back and then forward, okay? And then it's very important that before we go over, okay, we tuck our head to our right shoulder, okay, and make sure that it's glued there for the whole time that we roll over. All right, what this does is prevent us going over our head or our neck, and it reduces the chance of any injuries. Okay, so I'm going to show you again from a different angle. So you lie down on the floor, okay, and then you rock forward and backwards, okay, nice and slow. Remember, tuck your head to your right shoulder, and then we're going to roll over our left shoulder. Okay, it's not a somersault, so we are not going over our head or our neck. All right, use your hands to support you, and there you have it. Okay, one more time, rocking back and forward. Okay, you can see my head is tilted to my right shoulder, and I'm going over my left shoulder. Okay, nice and easy, nice and simple.
Alright guys, and there you have it, the over the shoulder roll, okay? Well done. Well done if you gave that a go. Also guys, please remember it's very, very important, if you are not as confident completing the roll by yourself, okay, or you're finding it a bit hard, please, please, please get either an adult, parent, carer, older brother, older sister, someone to supervise you while you're completing the roll, okay, just to make sure you are completely safe and you don't cause any harm to yourself or anyone else. Alright guys, well done. Okay, so for the final part of the lesson, we're going to focus on putting those two actions together, okay? The Arabesque Balance and the over the shoulder roll. Alright, so again, how it's going to work, I'm going to show you my routine, okay? How I put those two actions together into a routine, and then you're going to pause the video, you're going to have a look, listen to the teaching points, okay? Try to show good control, balance, body tension, all right, and then have a go yourself, okay? So again, pause the video here and wait for my demonstration.
All right, so guys, I'm going to be showing you my routine and how I put the Arabesque Balance and the over the shoulder roll together. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to start off with the roll. And as you see, I'm rocking over, okay, and then I'm going to get my head ready, head to my shoulder, and roll over the other shoulder, okay? And then I'm going to stand up and straight into the Arabesque Balance I go, okay? Demonstrating good control, okay? Good body tension, okay? Not rushing, taking my time, right? And there you have it, my routine. Okay, so give this a go.
Alright, year 4, so that is the end of the PE lesson, okay? So remember to go over the video as much as possible, alright? Feel free to rewind, pause, okay? Go back, go forward, okay? Whatever you feel is necessary, alright? To help you get the gist of the actions, okay? Remember to try both of the actions, okay? So remember to give the Arabesque Balance a go and the over the shoulder roll a go, okay? And also remember, keep on practicing, okay? Do not rush, and if possible, have a carer, parent, or brother or sister, okay? Someone who's older and can look over you and support you, okay? Just to ensure that you're extra safe whilst completing these actions, okay? And one more thing, guys, it's very important that once you complete these actions, okay, you complete these routines, you have a parent, family member, okay, take a video or a picture of you doing these actions, okay, and then send it over to us at pe.grange@harrow.sch.uk. Okay, I'm looking forward to seeing your videos and your pictures. All right, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.